Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change the language on the Discord app on your PC using the latest update. If you've just installed Discord, or you simply want to switch to a language that feels more comfortable for you, the process is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Once it loads, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and right next to them, a small gear icon. That gear icon is where all your settings are located, so go ahead and give it a click. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken into the settings menu. There are several options on the left-hand side, but the one we're looking for is labeled Language. Scroll through the list until you find it. Once you see it, click on it to open the language settings. Here, you'll find a full list of languages that Discord supports. All you need to do is browse through the list and pick the language you prefer. For example, you could switch from English to Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or any of the other available languages. The moment you select one, Discord will automatically apply the change. The app doesn't need to restart, and you'll notice immediately that all menus and options update into the language you chose. This is especially useful if you share your computer or account with someone who prefers another language, or if you are learning a new one and want to immerse yourself a little more. It also makes Discord more accessible worldwide, allowing you to set it up in the way that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen your language, you're all set. You can head back to the main screen and continue using Discord as normal. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same language menu and choose a different option. And that's it. Changing the language on Discord for PC takes just a few clicks, and with this new update, it's smoother than ever. Now you're ready to enjoy Discord in whichever language feels right for you.